Rain Access Solutions.
Hi, I'm Glenn of Rain Access Solutions. Welcome to my vlog. In this episode of Rain Access Solutions, we have a new package that came from China, and we're gonna unbox it and probably test the content inside. The item inside is a Pro'sKit UMS-C002 electric hand operated blower. Now this blower is not rechargeable and it's not battery powered, so this is powered by a 220 volt AC power. As for the specification or dimension of this item, um, the weight of this package is 3.4 pounds or 1.5 kg. It's kind of a bit of a heavy blower. It comes with this small bag, and this bag is at first we're kind of confused because our previous blower doesn't have this item. But we're guessing that the bag was for the suction function because this item can do both blowing and sucking. I mean, it has the vacuum option. So instead of just blowing away dust, you can also reverse it and suck the dust. Therefore, preventing any dust particles spreading around in the office if you're trying to clean just your keyboard alone. It came with this manual with two carbon connector things. Maybe when the carbon connectors is used up, you can just replace it. It also has a small brush for cleaning motherboards or fan of your computers. So here we are, we're gonna test if this item is working and how strong its blower is. But first, we're gonna get a adapter because the plug was designed for US and we didn't get the plug designed for Australia. It's a pretty strong blower, and the only downside is it doesn't have control on how strong the blower is, but you can see that it can push the box away from the ground. Now the manual that came with it is all written in Chinese, so it's pretty much useless for us unless we do some Google Translate where we can snap a photo and let the camera translate the Chinese characters.
I think this we have also for the last but we don't have the bag. We don't have the bag.
Now to turn this blower into a vacuum cleaner, we will just need to remove its rubber tip and insert it to the side and get the bag and connect it to the slot where you usually connect the rubber tip. And that's it. It's going to reverse the function from blowing to sucking.
Keyboard. Too powerful.
So that's it, guys. This is how we use the blowing and vacuum function of the Pro'sKit UMS-C002. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave your comments behind for me to read later. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day, everyone. Goodbye.